Pandas as type method. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Pandas series, and the last one I really want to touch on is the as type method. So it is very helpful in where you can convert an entire column or an entire data frame. So let's just go ahead and look and see, and we'll check this out. So it is a method that is associated, as I said, with the data frame. So let's see, help on new dot as type. All right, so what this does is you will call it and pass in the type of object you want to convert to. So we would do something like this, where you go new equals new dot, and we want to make sure we look at this. Let's come up here, parameters, returns, casted. Okay, same type as caller. So all right, the new as type. Don't know why I can't type today. I'm very sorry. Wow, not even close. And we want everything to be a string, str. All right, so new, and we can go ahead and check this and go type new age and then index 0 and type. So as we can see here, so we can just continue to add this. So as type str. So this is completely legal, and because this object is a transposed data frame, so we could do the same thing here, run that, call this again, and we still have a string. Now you can also, do just one, and we can change this. Here we are. Age close, we have a string, and then we can do this on, we can check ID, and ID is still an integer. So this is a very powerful tool when you may be getting an object that you're not expecting, and you're like, man, I need to convert this entire column or the entire data frame, and you need a different type of object. So this is the technique that you use. It's very useful, and it's very important to understand how to use it. And like I said, you can do the entire data frame or just a single column. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. If you've not jumped down to the Discord server, please go ahead and do that. There is a lot of conversations going on over there. Very growing, supportive community. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.